All right, guys, I have to sincerely apologize. I just recorded a cleaning video of me cleaning my refrigerator. And because of the fact that my kids had the computer and it had some YouTube videos they had playing, it was really loud and it picked up really clear and loud in my video. And upon watching the playback, I realized I had a hole in my pajama pants. So that was a big no-no that I had to edit out of the video. So every time I walked past, I was still talking. And a lot of the footage that I was saying had to get deleted out because of that purpose. But it was a really good conversation. I'm really disappointed that ended up happening, but it's okay. This is just part of being a content creator. You got some stuff like this just ends up happening, So next time I know to remind them to keep the volume down, which I had did. But, kids, they just went back and turned it up again anyway when I was no longer paying attention. But with that being said, I was addressing the fact that, people often think that because I have a few nice things here and there, that means that I must be lying about my situation. And it was in regards to the face wash that I use, okay? And that face wash costs a little more than the normal, but it's not anything overly expensive. It's not like $100, $200. It's not anything like that. But also, a face wash is not something that you have to buy every month. Like, you have to pay your bills every month. If you're the only one using that one item, you can get maybe even 2 months out of that bottle, or 3. Just depends on how often you use it, how much you're using. It just depends on if you're heavy on product. But nonetheless, so I was just addressing the fact that just because I have a few nice things here and there doesn't mean that I'm not going through what I'm going through. And just because I am going through what I'm going through doesn't mean that I have to suffer and do without or never treat myself to anything nice. So hopefully that will allow y'all to kind of keep up with the convo, because it's going to skip around a lot. But thank you. Sorry for the inconvenience, and just enjoy the video. Hey guys, I'm AllisonAlanna. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button on your way in. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always watching my videos. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a top tier living video. This is going to be my refrigerator edition, where I clean my refrigerator, organize my refrigerator, and get everything nice, organized, and well put together, okay? A lot of times people think that because you have financial issues, or because they just kind of judge you because of the things that you might talk about or the things that you might share. They have these preconceived thoughts about you already. So I just want to say that those are absolutely false. You can live top tier anywhere you live. That level is it really inside of you. Top tier level or top tier living is really inside of you. It's about who you already are. They could put you anywhere and you're still going to be yourself. So it's just a really crazy concept to have, but false. Now let's go do some top tier cleaning. Freezer is already clean and organized. Go ahead and take everything out of my refrigerator. I recently went grocery shopping a couple of days ago, and I wasn't able to clean the refrigerator right away as planned. So I was reading one of my comments today, and if you claim that you never have any money, I'm not lacking money every single day of my life. Like, I even tell some of y'all, when y'all come on my channel and start complaining about your prices are too high in your boutique. Oh, your prices are too high. Yeah, I consider what you all are saying. However, $80 is not a lot of money. $80 is not a lot of money. And like I always tell y'all, if y'all can't afford it, I do have other options there for y'all to use. Afterpay, Shop Pay. There's so many different options there, right? And they are there for you to utilize them, because I use Afterpay. I use Shop Pay. A lot of the things that I have purchased through those payment platforms. So it's not impossible. You can get whatever you want to get. Trying to figure me out because your head will be spinning every single day trying to do that. I'm blessed, you know? Like I always say, I never fake my lifestyle. I get what I want. And I be struggling and having my way at the same exact time. I am behind on my bills. Yes, I often fall behind on my bills. Doesn't mean that I don't have nothing, that I don't live like that. I've never been that type where I'm going to give myself the bare minimum on everything else, because I fell behind on a bill. Some people are though. They treat themselves bad, they're not kind to themselves, they're not loving to themselves, and they just live a really hard life. And when they see you going through the same things as them, but you still be having your way with certain things, it's like weird to them. So the answer is, I can afford whatever I ask God for, you know? And soon, money will no longer even be an issue for me. But while it's still an issue, I'ma still take care of myself. I'ma still have nice things. I'ma still take care of my home. I'ma still take care of my kids. I'ma do the best with whatever I have. So if that's too difficult for some of y'all to understand, I really don't know what else to tell y'all. But I would highly recommend that you just stop trying to figure me out and looking at the things that I have, envying me and coveting me, trying to figure out, well, how come I have this and you don't? It really don't matter. If you want something, work for it, ask for it, pray for it, whatever you got to do for it. Go do what you got to do. You know what I'm saying? If you're going to watch me, don't let it be so that you can envy me and talk negatively about me. Let it be because you see something in me that is inspiring you and you want that same thing as well. All right, so I took the drawers out of the refrigerator. And the first thing I'm going to do is wash them in some warm water and soap. But yeah, guys, I definitely don't want nobody to be here feeling jealous of me or watching what I'm doing and feeling no type of way. Because the truth is, I'm here to make impact in the most positive way possible. I know a lot of people have been influenced by the lies and the rumors that they hear. A lot of people have decided that they no longer want to be a part of my community and, you know, have made decisions based off of what they have heard. They found it to be believable based on whatever they think they know. And it's all just a bunch of lies. But I mean, people are people. You know what I'm saying? One day they love you, the next day they hate you based off of something they said or based off of something they heard. That's just how it goes once you get into this type of field. You know what I'm saying? Like, people mad about everything. They watching every single thing you do. They waiting for something to be said or waiting for something to be wrong so that they could, you know, talk about you. Or it's like they fight harder to believe the negative things about you than they do to listen to or accept the positive. They could be seeing everything good from you, but when they hear it from somebody else, it's just what they want to accept, you know? So like I said, I'm here to make a really positive impact, you guys. I wish y'all well in everything y'all do. I wish myself well. I don't care where I am in life. I'm never hating on nobody. I'm wishing that everybody get exactly what it is that they want. You know? May we all have the best. May we all have top tier lives and top tier experiences and enjoy top tier living until the day we are no longer here. Separation is a thing of the past. Poverty is a thing of the past. May all the goods you want find you today and every day after. You know, that's how I feel. That's what I tell myself. That's what I want for myself. So why would I want any less for the people that watch me, support me, subscribe to me, you know, things of that nature. So this is about top tier living, maintaining the little that you do have until you get more. Jealousy, envy, coveting, we don't do that over here. We support, we spread love. We're about that next level. Like I said, top tier living, taking care of what we have until we could get more. Because when we get more, we're gonna be able to take care of that too. If you can't take care of a little, how can you take care of a lot? You know, so don't ever come over here feeling no kind of way, feeling negative and feeling like you just don't understand why certain things are happening for me or why I have certain things. Right now, I don't have a lot, but I'm definitely grateful for the little that I do have. And if you watch me and complain about what I have, it's going to take away from what you have. So just keep that in mind. Top tier living only. Top tier support only. The best of the best is what we're doing over here on this channel. Oh. So I'm about to do the inside of the fridge. I was going to take the racks out and wash them out in the sink, but I think I'm going to just wipe them down with the soapy water. Less work for me because I still got to wash the tray that goes on top of the 2 drawers. So I'm going to just wipe these off and wipe out the fridge. Matter of fact, I'm going to just wipe them, take them out and wipe them off that way. So change the plans. I'm actually going to wash them down in the sink. It'll just be better, easier on me. Alright, so now I'm just wiping out the inside of the refrigerator with some hot soapy water. Alright, so everything has been cleaned out and reassembled. The drawers, everything's back in here. And then here go the door. All cleaned up. So everything's been put in the refrigerator door. Nothing at the bottom, but there's that. And then I'm gonna just put some waters. So I did the top shelf and put a few things down at the bottom. That's gonna go there. And I guess I'll put this down here. Let's see. When I left my last place, I had like them little refrigerator organizers. So I had one for my eggs. I had one for my waters that you could like lay them down. I had some for like the kids' juice boxes. Some onions. Got the fruits over here in the fruit side. Kiwis as well, because I just feel like it keeps it fresher. So that's it. Everything is cleaned out, put back in the refrigerator, and nice and neat. So that's it, guys. Thank y'all so much for watching my video. Hopefully this video inspired you to, number one, take care of what you got, no matter how big or small, and to just live top tier anywhere you are in life in this current moment. So again, I hope you enjoyed watching the video. If you have not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button now. And the memberships, if you haven't already joined, hit the join button. It's right beside the subscribe button. Over there we do some more fun, flirty, and informative videos, as well as you get personalized badges beside your name to identify you as a member. You also get members only chats when I go live, and so much more will come because I'll be adding new tiers very soon as well. So look into the memberships if you're interested in that. And again, make sure you hit the like button, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.